Hello, my loves. This meditation will make anybody fall in love with you. Thank you for subscribing, and remember to click that bell icon because I create new manifestation videos every day to manifest love with the law of attraction. I have helped thousands of people all around the world manifest love extremely fast, and I can help you too. Just visit me at joybyjanell.com. While listening to this meditation, visualize who you would like to fall in love with you. See them from your eyes as they look upon you with open and powerful desire, and see yourself from their eyes and feel the overwhelming love. Please use this with caution. It is extremely powerful. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. Now let's begin. I make them fall in love with me. I make them fall in love with me with thought. I make them fall in love with me with my desires. I make them fall in love with me with my intentions. I make them fall in love with me with my suggestions. I have irresistible love power. I have irresistible attraction. I target my attraction with power. I target my attraction with force. I easily create massive desire for me and them. I easily create massive lust for me and them. I easily create intense lust for me and them. I create love with my mind. I create love with my thoughts. I create love with my energy. I create love with my magnetism. I create love with my charisma. I create love with my gaze. I create love with my attention. I create love across vast distances. They cannot resist my love power. They cannot resist my love force. They cannot resist my love energy. They willingly fall under my spell. They willingly obey my desires. They willingly beg to love me. They willingly beg to adore me. They willingly beg to be with me. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They cannot resist my love power" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.